how to generate share codes for Spotify songs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate share codes for Spotify songs. These scannable codes make it super easy to share your favorite tracks, playlists, or albums with anyone. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Spotify app and then just navigate to the song you want to create a share code for. And once you play the song, you'll find three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Just tap on it, and then here you'll find the Show Spotify code option on the bottom. Just tap on it, and then this will display the image associated with the Spotify code. So now you'll need to tap on Save to Photos to save the share code to your device's camera roll, and you can easily share it with others and they can scan it to access the content directly in their Spotify account. And that's it. You've successfully generated a share code for your favorite Spotify song. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.